We are very excited and proud to have this laser powder bed manufacturing facility, which is the latest addition in our laboratory resources. This machine, manufactured by Tritech 3D, we commissioned it in December 2023. This variant of metal additive manufacturing complements the already existing wire plus arc and wire plus laser variants of metal additive manufacturing. And this shows our commitment and determination towards research and the master's course on metal additive manufacturing. Addition of this system would enable us to perform hands-on research on all the different processing routes currently used for metal additive manufacturing. Research findings would integrate in our teaching content. This machine is part of one-click metal system in their bolt series category and known as M-print bolt. It is fitted with a continuous wave fiber laser of 200 watt power and has a build envelope of 150 by 150 by 150. Currently, we are using the equipment to build stainless steel parts, but expecting to research with other metals as we progress. Acquisition of this laser powder bed machine also opened up the possibility of further research in the biomedical application, functional coating, joining of powder built parts with wire and arc additive manufactured parts, wrought alloys, and a host of different applications.